I now understand that executive presence or professional image is never about us. It's always about respecting others with your looks. It's always about respecting others with your body language. It's always respecting others with your etiquette. And it's always respecting others with your digital presence. Because even if you know what to do, but you're not into it 100%, you will not do it. Agree? The moment you speak to another person, it already gives you a platform to lead them negatively or positively. So you're a leader. Whether it's a driver, it's your sister, it's your brother, former colleague, existing colleague, you are already leading them negatively or positively. So, lahat pala tayo leaders. What you do about that moment, remember I taught you the most important person in your life is the one in front of you, will now define anong klaseng leader mo gusto kang maalala. Because even if you know what to do, but you're not into it 100%, you will not do it. Agree? Even if you know what to do, but you're not so or convinced to do it 100%, you will not do it. Vision is the North Star. Kung nagkakagulo lahat, balik sa vision. Kung nagkaka-divide dahil iba-iba ugali, balik sa vision. Because the vision is the source of your core values. Ang ugali, magkakaiba programming, pero ang core values, pwede tayong mag-adjust. Yung look good, feel good, and do good, hindi sustainable. Bigyan ko kayo example, simple example. Let's say, bagong gupit ka, nag-ayos ka, I look good. Paglabas mo, sabi, buhay pa ba yung barbero mo? Di na wala na yung feel good mo. Nag-ayos ka eh. So, look good, feel good may not be the right sequence. So, baguhin natin. Okay lang? Feel good out of clarity of who you are, out of your identity. Then, because you now feel good, you will now make and find ways to sustain that, to represent that, and to somehow show people that you are feeling good. So you will look good. Kasi di ba, kung alam mo may value ka, mag-a-appear ka ba na mukha kang walang value? So feel good first about who you are, have clarity, and then you will not jump to inspiring others nang hindi ka inspired sa sarili mo. Right? You can only sincerely inspire another person when you are inspired yourself. So, feel good, look good, and you know what? The result of this two is your legacy. Do good. Walang effort. Start with feeling good first. Who am I? Who am I? Wow, alam ko na kung sino ako. Then, dress up, speak like one, look like one, and speak like one, or act like one. So now, can we all say it? Feel good, look good, do good. Both good and bad attitude, nakakahawa. Do you agree? Sumama ka sa isang tao ng maski isang linggo lang na napakasama na ugali. Uuwi ka na rin naman sa mga ugali mo. No? Kaya pagdasal natin sila ha, para hindi tayo mahawa. Okay, so let's go here. Walang imposible sa isang masama ang ugali. Okay? So, konting-konting lambing lang. Damay ka, sabi mo, may pag-asa tayo. Damay ka ha, may pag-asa tayo. Go! Tell each other, may pag-asa tayo. Nothing is unreachable, nothing is unattainable, nothing is impossible, and nothing is unachievable. First, we need to believe that if you don't control your attitude, then it will what? Control you. If you don't control your attitude, it will control you. And how do we control something that we are not aware of? So, it's very important that ABC happens first. Ano yun? Don't attempt to change for someone or change someone. Actually, you cannot change someone. You can pray for them, but we cannot change them. But we do not attempt to change without awareness. Saan nanggagaling yung ugali ko? Namana ko ba yan? Nakopya ko ba yan? Or, hindi ko ba alam na masama siya kasi sa amin normal yan. Tuwing nasa-stress ka nung bata ka, meron kang coping skill. You got used to it, na yun ang pinuputahan mo kapag nasa-sad ka or nasa-stress ka, hindi yung solusyon. Way out, kaya nga coping skill. Alright, so because of this, I need to remind you who you are because challenges will vary every time. As you hold higher position, mas maraming challenges. So whenever you feel like you're not capable, yung kaninang mga statement, you only just need to remember who you are. Because I now understand that executive presence or professional image is never about us. It's always about respecting others with your looks. It's always about respecting others with your body language. It's always respecting others with your etiquette. And it's always respecting others with your digital presence. Understand that you are the walking, talking representation of yourself. Your appearance, behavior, communication actually communicates what's important to you. Your vision, purpose. Pwede natin sabihin, talaga ba, naka-jeans lang ako. It talks about your purpose. It talks about your choices. It talks about what's important to you. Seems a lot. Ang haba, no? Kulang yung oras. But kung na-confuse ka, ano nga uunahan ko left, right, left, right? Etong sagot ko sa inyo. Ano ba yung magko-communicate ng love? Diba? Ano yung magko-communicate ng love? Pag hindi ka ba nakatingin, nagko-communicate ng love? Pag nakaganon ka ba, nagko-communicate ng love? So always go to that place. While others are choosing hate, let's all choose love. So I'd like to end with this verse. Matthew 5:16. You are already a light in your office. So in the same way, let your light shine before others that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So thank you so much for having me.
So yung sa professional image po, natutunan namin yung credibility, reliability, and vulnerability. Then, so as yung professional image, kasi you represent your organization.
Right.
So dapat maganda yung professional image.
My biggest takeaway po is the importance po ng the image that we project since
Ano yung importance? Total binanggit mo, dire-diretsuhin mo. Ano yung mga importance nun?
How we yung clothes that we wear, the way that our posture. Since hindi ko po siya masyadong napapansin noon, it was my biggest learning yesterday.
Yeah, thank you.
For yun sa professional image, it's the color of the dress that fits to you and shows your image.
Pero yun, not all people know that there's a specific color palette that everyone should be accustomed to.
Yes.
So that they would project a more professional image, and not everyone knows their undertones.
Yes.
So I think that's also important.
Right? Thank you.
Ito yung naalala ko kahapon. I failed to answer the question you asked me, what will be the legacy that you will leave to the organization or to everybody. For me, aside from being a good father, a good family man, syempre I want to be, as much as possible, I want to be the best leader so far of the AMLC. That is the legacy I want to leave in the organization.
Thank you.